Hello there everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'll review this diecast. I haven't really done a diecast video in a few years now, but this one is by KiNSMART. This is the 1995 McLaren F1 GTR. I bought it recently. As you can see, this is the box. This is what it looks like. It says right there, collect them all. And we have, you can see, official licensed product and all the other brands that they sell, which is pretty nice. I also have an RX-8 of this one by this brand, and also the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento and the Lotus RGT. But I pretty much threw away all the boxes of those because I was a little kid. So now let's get into the unboxing of this one. So we'll just open the box right here. I already took out the tape and cut it. Here it is. Pull it. And here's the car. So as you can see, it's very nice. It's got the McLaren F1 logo right there and the GTR logo as well. So I'll just take this off right here. Other side as well. Let's take it off. Alright, just got some scissors because this is a little tricky. I'm just gonna cut it open. Just like that. There you go. And this one, just pull it out there. Pull this side first. There you go. And this other side. And the last bit over here. Alright, here's the car. You can see. Let's take off this wiring first. There you go. Got that out of the way. This one as well. They're just kind of wrapped like that. And here's the car. You can see. Let's put the box right here. So as you can see, here's the details of this car. It's very nice. One of the most iconic cars of the 1990s. So we'll just take off the sticker. Still plastic right here. There you go. So let's look at the front end of the car. See, it's got a lot of detail there. It's got the McLaren logo, McLaren decal. It's got the vents, and it's also got the turn signals right here, or the lights, and the headlights are done pretty well, as you can see. If you look at that headlights, very nice. Got a little bit of dirt there. Yeah, some little imperfections in the paint, but nonetheless, it's very nice. It also has the hood vents there. Got vents here as well. And here at the top, I can't really see it that much, but there's actually a McLaren decal right here. I'll try to show. There you go. It says right there, McLaren GTR. So it does have the decal. Then here at the side, you see it's got all these details, all the body lines right there, and the wheels. I really like the wheels on this one. They're actually very realistic. And I like the finish that they did here. Definitely looks better in real life than in camera, but you get the idea. Reflectors right here for the turn signals. And then here at the back, got the rear wheels. At the top, you can see have the engine cover. Fortunately, you can't really open this, but you can't really see the engine that much there. But it has a bit of detail, and got even more vents hit there, and little intakes there. You can see roof scoop. Also at the back, we have that, so cool the engine. Then here at the back, this is also very nice, as you can see. It's got the GTR badge right there, and the F1 McLaren F1 badge. The taillights are done really nicely as well, as you can see. You got the wing, the rear wing. It kind of looks doesn't look that straight on camera, but in real life you don't really notice it that much. But yeah, it's also got the little details there. You can see, very nice. Got the exhaust pipes, very nice. And at the bottom, you see, it's the bottom. There you go. So you can see McLaren F1 GTR, scale 134 by KiNSMART. And yeah, let's look at this other side. As you can see, it's also very nice. Got a bit of dirt there. I'll clean that up. But yeah, that's probably from the plastic that came with it. But yeah, I can just remove that. And let's look at the doors, because the doors are actually working in this car. So let's look at the doors. Just open them up. And when I bought this, there were a few comments there. I think there were a couple of comments that said that their doors weren't working properly, or they were like broken. So we told the seller that if they can check it. And yep, I was really glad to see that the doors are nice and working right here, and they're not broken. Because for others, they don't close all the way, or they're just kind of broken altogether. As you can see, that's what the doors look like. They're very nice. Got a little side view right here when the doors are opened. And if we look at the interior, you can see obviously there's not much interior detail here, just one color of the paint. That is what it looks like. You can see, got a roll cage, got the seat in the middle. It's actually a very distinct feature of the McLaren F1. It has the seat in the middle, so you can actually seat up to 3 people here at the front, and that's the only seats. So you have passengers on the left and right side. And you see, you got the steering wheel there, got the dashboard. It's a little difficult to see, and got a shifter as well. As you can see right there, got vents there, and it's a dashboard. It's very nice. So you can see, you can just close the doors now. And that is pretty much it for this diecast. Let's close that properly. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. I don't have many diecasts right now, and pretty much lost all the boxes of the old ones. So yeah, if you want to see more of these videos, and please comment down below. I have a few diecasts, mostly small ones. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay well, my friends. Goodbye.